We just got a call here and we need to investigate.
Jesus Christ. Figure it out. I'm cold.
Okay.
Can I have my coat? Can I get my coat?
No, you're going to stay right here.
You stay right here.
Yes. We'll let you know when you get your coat, okay?
God, what's your name?
Powers. Listen, you're free to record. We're recording everything.
I'm going to record you. I want you. God, disrespectful. I told you, man, that different in the community. My dad's a different man. What? Now what? Let's get there. Take the fucking jail. Figure it out. I'm tired of playing this game. Playing this game. I didn't break the law. How do you...
Were you screaming at your neighbor before?
Huh?